ng konti pa patungkol sa ating ginagawa kay IMG. Ano po? If you remember, Ma'am Luz has set a stage for us, ano po, dito sa sinasabi natin na goal setting. At tinuro nga po niya kung paano po tayo mag-uumpisa. Ano, ang sabi doon is daily, weekly, yearly, and so on. But today, kayo po ay inaanyayahan kong makinig at nawa po ay matuto ng kaunti kung ano po ang importance nitong tinatawag nating goal setting. Pero bago po yan, sa mga hindi pa po nakakilala sa akin, ako po si Roberto Santos. They call me Bobby. And kasama po ang aking asawa, si Prosy, fellow IMG Crusader po, with the simple mantra of love, care, and protect. That is where we are taking yung pong lakas ng loob on what we do today. So today, let me go through and bring you in a little bit of journey about goal setting. Yan, what is goal setting? Everybody po ay meron po nito, kahit po anong gusto nating start gawin, I'm sure na mayroon po tayong goal, di ba? Hindi naman po ari na tayo mag-uumpisa ng ginagawa nang wala tayong hinahangad na goal or kahihinatnan. Di po ba? Yan. So sabi ko dito, the importance of goal setting. Kung makita po ninyo, ito ay football goal. I'm sure lahat po ng naglalaro ng football ay ang goal nila is maka-hit nito, di ba? Wala naman po maglalaro na basta na lang laro ng laro. And kung titingnan po natin doon sa kabilang part, ang finish line. I'm sure po lahat tayo ay mayroon pong desire or may set finish line sa mga ginagawa po natin. Hindi po pwede na we just keep on running at wala po tayong intended or desired goal. Di po ba? Kaya po actually even kami sa aming sariling buhay, pagka po kami ay nagja-jogging mag-asawa, pag isinet ko yung aking distance sa 10 kilometers, I'm reaching that 10 kilometers in jogging. Pero pagka po hindi, napapabilis po kasi sabihin bigla, pagod na ako. Kakain na tayo. So automatic, nagre-recess, automatic po is nagre-retreat do sa goal na sinet natin. So that's how important is goal. Yan. Sabi dito, we set goals. Everybody. Successful business people, achievers in all field, top level athletes, they all set goals. They put a barometer on their performance sa kanila pong mga ginagawa. Hindi po basta na lang without direction. Sabi dito, how can you ever achieve goals if you never set one? Tama po ba? Very, very important po na makuha natin tong question na to at tanong natin sa ating sarili. Ano ba talagang gusto nating achieve dito kay IMG? Yan. So sabi dito, nabanggit ko kanina yung inano ni Ma'am Luz last time. It's about the setting goal, which is according to this SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. So sabi dito, I want to climb a mountain. Pero it's so broad po, di ba? Pagka sinabi natin ganun, it's an ambitious statement na may intention. So ang ating pong objective today, ay makita natin how we really going to set goal. Sabi niya, those who set goals are way more successful. Ito raw po yung magiging batayan kung tayo po ba ay nagpo-progress or nakaka-achieve ng something kung meron po tayong sinet na goal. So sa atin pong lahat, ang importance nito ay hindi biro, di ba? Yan. So in this session, so-called importance of goal setting, there are objectives. Number 1, we are explaining the importance of goal setting. Number 2, we need to describe what goal setting is. And number 3, we'll be able to set goals and achieve them. Yan po ang ating objective. So matanong ko po kayo, did you ever ask yourself ano bang gagawin ko dito kay IMG? Or ano bang ginagawa ko up to now kay IMG? Hopefully po, yung pong question na yan is clear sa atin, ano? Dahil ito po ang magbibigay ng somehow sense of direction sa ating pong ginagawa. Yan. What is goal setting? Goal setting is a powerful motivator and in the process by which we achieve our goals where goals drive action. Yan. Kaya tulad po sabi ko kanina, kung wala po tayong sinet na goal, then maybe yung ating action are limited. Yung maybe ating action ay hindi time delivery oriented. Ano po? And then sabi ko dito, not difficult. Yan po sinasabi ng lahat, ano? Not difficult. Yes, it is true po. But also, achieving them is not always easy. Yan. Tama po ba yun? Are you relating po sa akin? Yan. So here, we can see there are 5 principles for goal achievement. Number 1 is commitment. Number 2 is clarity. Number 3 is a challenge. Number 4 is complexity. Number 5 is feedback. So we are going through with each one. Number 1, commitment. The greater the commitment to a goal, the more likely to achieve it. The less committed, the more likely we will give up. Katulad po nung nasabi ko kanina, pagka po sinet ko yung aking run in 10K, ano po, since it is set, I will not stop kasi I'm committed to that na matapos po yun, di ba? Pero pagka po binigyan ko ng relaxation mode yung aking katawan na okay, kung gaano lang kahaba ang matakbo, then the lesser po yung aking na-achieve. So ganoon din po, pagka po ang commitment natin sa ating ginagawa ay mababaw, then yung pong ating tagumpay na tinatawag ay mababaw din. Sabi dito, commitment is influenced by desirability of the goal. Gaano mo ba kagusto yung goal mo? Dito kay IMG, I always ask and tell my wife, I always ask myself and tell my wife, how much we love to be SMD or how much we love to be promoted. Then yun po yung talagang sometimes na I myself po are guilty of it na yung commitment po is hindi ganun kalaki. But nevertheless, hindi naman po hindi naman po lingid sa atin. We always have chances, di po ba? Yan. So sabi dito, it is influenced by desirability and perceived likelihood of achieving it. Yung pong second part is napaka-importante, perceived likelihood of achieving it. Dito po, I will encourage yung pong positive thinker natin dyan, yung pong hindi nagda-doubt sa kung anong kaya nang gawin sa sarili. Yan. Okay. Number 2. Hopefully po we are learning something, Oh, sorry. In commitment, we need to check and ask this to ourselves. Ito po yung powerful questions na tinatawag, not only to ourselves, but also do sa ating mga nililid or sa ating mga tinutulungan na ma-promote. How much do you want to achieve that goal? What is your level of determination to reach that goal? And how likely do you think you are achieving it? Yan. Ikalawa, clarity. Sabi dito, goal have limited value if they are not specific. So clarity of what goal achievement looks like is key. This motivates the individual or team to set out to achieve the goal. Yan. Kailangan po mayroon tayong malinaw na vision, clarity, Kailangan po makita natin. Ang sabi doon last time, begin with the end in mind. Yan. Pagka po sinabi, I want to be a millionaire, I want financial freedom, those things po are so broad and general. I would love to invite you all, to encourage you all to go in specific. What are you doing at the moment to progress in that direction? So sabi dito, how clear are you in knowing how and when to achieve this goal? We need to be very specific. How? Ano, mahirap naman po sabihin natin, okay, I'm with IMG, so it will progress on its own. Hindi po gano'n, ano? Be specific po tayo. Ang sabi po ng ating mga leaders, ano, consistency or consistently, may isa pong join and own. Tama po ba? Yan. Isa everyday. Isa everyday. Number 3, challenging. We are motivated by achievement and the anticipation of achievement. So kaya po palagi ko sinasabi na when it is challenging, it is much more better para sa atin. Kasi when you achieve it, it's enjoyable. It's a sign of accomplishment sa iyong sarili. Di po ba? It's fulfilling po na makita natin, though may challenges, yes, but when we achieve that and overcome challenges, ang sarap po sa pakaramdam, di ba? So if we know a goal is challenging, yet believe it is within our capabilities to achieve it, we are more likely to be motivated to go for it and complete a task. Napaka-importante po, no? Yung self-confidence. Mayroon po ditong sinasabi, di ba? Na kailangan talaga makita natin yung sa sarili natin. Huwag po nating although masarap po na maraming naniniwala sa atin, but we need to have our resolve, okay? Na tayo po ay naniniwala sa sarili natin, kaya ko to. Di po ba? On the other hand, if the goal feels too challenging, this can have a demotivating effect. Dito po kay IMG, ito po ang isang na-appreciate ko. Yes, challenges are real, but the team, the positive environment is so strong na yung pong mahirap or a challenging task as nagiging magaan po, di ba? So tuloy lang po tayo sa pag-meet, ano? Yung pong meeting mentality natin, patuloy po natin. Kahit po sabihin pa natin, parang pasan ko na ang daigdig. Sabi mo, di ba? Yan. Number 4. So, aside mo dito, how challenged do you feel by this goal? Mahirap ba? Natanong mo sa sarili mo yun? Napaisip ka ba? Nahihirapan ka ba? How much do you believe you can achieve it? Yan po yung mga question na dapat nating harapin sa sarili natin. No? Yan. Ika-4, task complexity. Overly complex goal can have demotivating impact. It's important to break down the most complex of tasks into simple bite-sized chunks so that they become more achievable. Tulad po siya sa'yo kanina, okay, I want to become a millionaire. Kung masyado pong pasikot-sikot yun, mahirap po yun, complex siya. Pero pagka nakita mo, you have to apply a specific task at a time in progression, in moving progressively towards your goal is magagawa po natin. Kay IMG, everybody, I'm sure, taas po ang kamay dyan. Everybody's dream is CEO, di ba? Wag po nating i-deny. Take it, claim it, sabi ko dito, But ang sabi ko dito is we need to identify one step at a time towards achieving that goal na sinet natin sa sarili natin. Di ba? So sabi dito, the time scale for complex goals should be realistic and achievable. Baka naman sabi niya CEO in how many 285 days ba yung ni Ma'am Luz dati? Yung kanyang binigyan na example. Yes, wala pong imposible, But ang sinasabi dito, time scale should be realistic. Huwag mo natin sabihin na, okay, I want to be a CEO in 1 month. If you are able to do that, that is very good. But be true to ourselves. Yan po ang sinasabi dito, realistic and achievable. Di ba? Well, I believe all of you have that in you. That's why you are here in this meeting. Di ba? Even the most motivated of people can become disillusioned if the task complexity is too great for their skill. Yan naman po ang isa pang ko dito kay IMG. Kung palagay po natin, yung ating skill is not enough. Ang lahat po ng member, lahat po ng leader na nandito are contributing to strengthen, to support, ang bawat isa to upskill themselves. Kung ano man ang ginagawa natin kay IMG. I'm sure po, Marami po sa atin na hindi marunong mag-present, hindi marunong mag-talk sa harap ng tao. But with IMG, ano po, it develops, di ba? So ano pong questions doon? How complex do you feel it is? How is your goal? Is it too complex for you? What do you need to do to break it down to be more realistic and achievable? Yan po yung mga dapat nating tanungin sa sarili natin. And not only sarili natin, but rather, kung meron na po tayong mga kino-coach, mga tinuturuan, then those questions are well applicable. Last one, I love this. Feedback. Seeking out feedback about progress towards a goal is key. Ano? Hindi po tayo pwedeng magtiwala lang doon sa ating own mirror. We need po yung feedback ng mga tao sa paligid po natin. We need yung pong kanilang critical observation. Kung saan po natin kailangan ng improvement, kung saan po tayo na-overdo. Di ba? Sabi dito, it keep us on track and motivates us further to achieve the goal. Masarap po yun, ano? Na, okay, simple tap at the back, you're doing good, okay? And then, pagka po mayroong hindi tama or need some fine-tuning, meron pong boses tayo within the team na naasahan natin na magsasabi sa atin. Feedback is so important. Ano? Yan. So why this goal setting is important? Ang sabi ko dito, goal settings are necessary to succeed in life. You want to be successful, you need to set a goal. Ano? Sabi dito, it gives us target to aim for, to work toward to. Sabi ko kanina, CEO is a target. That's for sure. But there are still ladders after that. And I'm sure you are all on it. Right? Sabi dito, to know what you should be doing, where are you going, and what you should be focusing on. Yan. Napaka-broad po noon or napakalawak po nung pangalawang point na yon. Because kung hindi po na kayo magsaset ng goal at hindi natin may embrace yung importance nito, gagawin po natin lahat ng madada natin, di ba? We will maximize our talent. I'm good with this. I'm good with this. Ano? Then, mababagalin po niya tayo. It will slow us down in our run. Kasi we thought we are always utilizing yung ating mga talents along the way. Pero pagka po natutunan natin, okay, you maybe heard that learning to say no. Ano? Yung po yung sinasabi dito, you are not a Superman, that is given. Okay? And then, to learn to say no in the small things that you think will derail you from achieving your goal or slow you down, then that is a very good for us. We need to be focused on what we should be doing. Sabi dito, goal setting, without it, your abilities and talents can go waste. Wow. Napaka-importante pala na makita natin yon. Otherwise, we may be wasting time. We may be wasting things na available po sa atin. Ayan po. There are benefits of goal setting. Number one, goals makes a vision achievable. Di ba? Pagka po ang goal natin is to climb yung mountain, even po mahirap sa umpisa, we will overcome that. Ano? Kasi we have a goal. Pagka po nakita natin yung goal natin is hindi firm, ano po? Pagka naka-encounter tayo ng challenges, then magbabago po isip natin, di ba? Creating a vision fuels ambition and belief. This is very important. It struck me actually. What is your vision by doing IMG? Is it solely focused on ourselves, or are we into with the mission of IMG to reach as many people as we can towards financial literacy? Sometimes those mission, those statements can bring us over and overcome. Ayan po, ano? Number 3 po doon, it motivates us towards achieving something we thought impossible. Yan. Most of the time, pagka po wala tayong goal, we didn't set that, ano? Kala natin, achieving something is always impossible. Pero with goal setting po, it is very, very possible. Benefits number 2, goal give us focus. And sabi ko kanina, no? You will have that vision, focus. It always allows us to focus our effort. It gives us sense of direction. Yan. Kung meron man pong sabihin natin, okay, this one is beneficial activity. If we are so focused and think na, okay, hindi ito makatulong in achieving my goal, then we'll just leave it aside. It allows us to hit our target and reach goal. Wow. Hitting target. By target po tayo, di ba? Sabi ko, Mrs. Last time, wag na akong targetin mo kasi na-target mo na ako. Okay? So sabi dito, allow us to remove distraction. Wow. That is very important po to learn, ano? Removing distraction towards achieving our goal. Benefits of goal setting. Goals are motivating. Ang sabi ko kanina, it motivates you to achieve more. Ano? Ang sarap po nung ano na pagka po sabi before ni Ma'am Je, okay? I set myself na 5-5 ako every month. Alam niyo po ba na pagka na-achieve mo yung 5-5 every month, ano? It will fuel you to do more. Ano po? Iyon po yung importance nito na hindi pag na-achieve mo na yon, you are thirst for more, sabi, di ba? It challenges us of excitement of something new. Yan. You reach that goal, but it doesn't mean you stay there because it challenges you. Napatunayan mo na you can do this, you can do something more. Di ba? Yan. Benefits of goal setting. Goals build self-confidence. Ito po yung sabi kanina, no? By setting goals that we are clear about, it helps us focus our knowledge. Ano? We are confidently doing this. Why? Because you have attended those workshops. Ano? Most of you have gotten this AFP certificate already. There are many of us who are already licensed in our field of work with IMG. So it builds your self-confidence, di po ba? It skills and mindsets towards achieving them, hence getting confident. So sabi ko kanina, upskilling. Ano? Upskilling. Kung before po, we are not able to use PowerPoint, now I'm sure you are already playing with that, di ba? So if you upskill and gain confidence. Benefits of goal setting. Goals allow us to measure progress. This is very important. At certain period of time, after 6 months with IMG, we begin to look at ourselves. Where is our direction? Are we able to see where is our progress? Did we learn to set deadlines? Are we able to measure progress for time delivery? Yun po yung mga question na tinatanong namin sa aming sarili. And then, we reevaluate, ano po, and retool kung ano po ang kailangan namin gawin moving forward. Yan po ang importance nito, no? Another benefits, goals makes us accountable. Yan. Pagka po sinabi accountable, when we set goals and make it known to others. Ang sarap po na may partner, di ba? Na SMD, MD, ano po, even po sa mag-asawa, ano, is very important po na may someone to tap us and, hey, where are we in our goal? Are we progressing? Where are we in our task? Did we achieve today something? Yan po, ano? We make ourselves accountable to finish the task. Very important. Mayroon pong dark side ito, no? Pagka po sinabi natin okay, I want accountability but we are not telling someone what is your goal. And, alam nyo, time and again, Ma'am O and Ma'am J asking us what is your goal at certain period of the year. Di ba? Are you MD, SMD, or EFD, or CEO? It is about this. Pagka po nasabi natin yun sa kanila, then we set accountability. Someone to remind us, someone to congratulate us reaching those goals. Yan. Benefits again, goal give us a sense of achievement. Ang sabi ko kanina, napakasarap po ng pakiramdam, di ba? It energizes and motivates people to persist in activities over time. Kasi po hangga't hindi natin nare-reach yung ating goal, we keep moving forward, moving forward, 'di ba? Wala pong ano dito, wala pong sabi dito, wala pong hint of surrender. We just keep continuing kung ano po ginagawa natin, 'di ba? Completion provides a sense of achievement. Napakasarap po na makita na okay, I completed one today, 'di ba? And it gives you energy to complete more. Yan. So those are the achievements, and I would like to, those are the goal setting benefits, and I would like to give some takeaways on this. And we are going to, after a few minutes, we're going to conclude. Number one, the achievement of goals requires focus and effort. We need to embrace that. You know, without focus and effort, our goal may be too far in realization. So according to Luck and Latham, successful goal achievement comes down to 5 key principles, which I have talked earlier: the commitment, the clarity, the challenge, complexity, and feedback. Takeaway number 2. Yan, mamili po kayo kailan para sa inyo, no? Goal creates a target. Goal setting is important because it gives your coachee or us a target to aim for and to work towards too. So hindi po pwede na okay, ano lang tayo, go along the flow lang tayo. Huwag po ganun. Baka po masayang po ang ating time and effort, and we didn't realize matanda na pala tayo. Ano? Takeaway number 3. Mindset and self-belief are essential ingredients. The most successful people achieve their goals through having the right mindset and self-belief. Katulad po ng sabi kanina, you need to believe in yourself first before expecting others to believe in what you do. Napaka-importante po ito. Why? I want to give this exclamation. Because time may be coming that nobody except yourself is believing in what you are doing. But embracing on those missions and visions of IMG, and for us as a person to help people, those we love, those our friends and colleagues, get out of poverty and really achieve financial freedom is something that we really embrace and talk about. Ano po? Napaka-importante po niyan. Your mindset and self-belief are essential ingredients in reaching your goals. And I'm ending with this one. Sabi dito ni Stephen Covey, if you heard his name, in his book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, all things are created twice. One on mental or the first creation, and second on the physical or second creation. In goal setting, you are creating something from your mind that goes along to your heart. That is the first creation of you, what you want to achieve. Ano po? Ang second part of it is the realization, putting everything in motion and having the physical reality of what you have set for yourself. Kaya po sabi dito, all things are created twice. In absence of either of these two, then your goal may be just a drawing. Once again, guys, thank you so much for today. And sana po mayroon po tayong natutunan. God bless you all po. Sister Agot.